Access the Material Layers section in the User Catalogue. Choose or add a folder in which to add a new material layer. Append a new material layer. Assign a title and a description. Set the number of layers. Indicate a description and the layer thickness. Repeat this operation for each layer. Choose a preview scale of the detail. Also set the layer's color and fill pattern. Repeat this operation for all other layers too. Indicate color and fill pattern for cross-section views to be shown in your working drawings. Confirm changes. Assign the new material layer to the building envelopes. Insert the material layer object in your drawing model showing layers and the descriptions.